Hey guys, how's it going? Jason here again. Tonight we're going to run the MX5, trying to find any dents along this driver's side. And we've got some new wheels. And I'm going to show you a few other things. So first up, where this seal started around the bodywork, it's all covered in sealant. So what I'm going to do is going to go around this here with some cellulose thinners and try and get as much of this off as possible. Might even have to use a knife blade to get it off, but that's what we're going to do first. I have that sealing race, that trim all cleaned up now. Thinners did a real good job on it. I also wiped this film down with some thinners too. Take all the greasy fingerprints and stuff off and it looks quite good. There's little dents around here where I've stood on it and things have fallen on it. These are my new wheels. Unfortunately they're 15x7, ET27. So I have a 20mm spacer in there at the minute. If you look at it from here, I've tried to take the camber out. So the fitment's not bad. 175, 55, 15 in that there. Tiny bit of stretch. And this is what I'm going to take 185 on it. A wee bit more balloony. So I might put a 185 on the back and a 175 in the front, we'll see. Might just run 175, 55 all around. But yeah. I have this rear arch flared. Kind of looks weird there, the camera's making it look weird. But yeah, so I flared this with a arch roller and then I didn't like it that much, so I kind of kinked it up a wee bit more. So there's a wee bit of filler in there. So you see it's cracked there, so I'm going to grind that out. And then we'll grind some of these dents. Okay, as you see, I went a bit over the top of the filler here, because around here there's like loads of wee ripples and all. So I figured cover it in filler, take it all off, and then it'll be flat. Here's the wee bit here that cracked, so I filled that in too. There is an awful lot of filler around this area, but the arches in this here are all solid, so I don't see the point cutting the rear quarters out and putting new quarters in when they're not rotten. They just got a wee bit of filler on them to get the shape I want. Same as the front wings, but yeah, we'll move on to the door now. I've just been sanding away, prepping the side while this filler's drying. Probably pretty good now. I just do this here to take the majority off, so there's less sanding once it actually hardens, because when it hardens it's an absolute nightmare to get off if it's in the wrong place. Okay, so to try to get this flat, I have my trusty belt sander belt on a bit of wood, and we're going to try and get this. Right, so this here, it's all nice and smooth around here and everything until we get to back here, and this, there must be more ripples in this here, so I'm going to put a wee skim of filler over this here. There we go. That's as far as I'm going to go this time with this. It's all pretty smooth. There's a few wee rough spots, but the filler primer should fill that in. But yeah, we're one step closer anyway. There's the battery chair we're going to be welding in next. But yeah, thanks for watching.